What's happening to the nation? It's your boy Big Vic. You know what time it is. So if you have an amplifier, 4-gauge, you want a kit to match so you can get the proper inputs and give it the proper power it needs so it can give you what you want, which is that bass. So into the CT Sounds complete 4-gauge amplifier kit. This is the Pro Series kit, which is copper clad aluminum. I know some of the bass head's gonna be like, what, bro? OFC for life, which is oxygen free copper. But this is a small system, so this will work for what we're trying to do. So, including this kit, we have 17 feet of 4-gauge blue power wire, 3 feet of 4-gauge white ground wire, 17 feet of 17 feet for 2-channel RCA cables, 17 feet of remote wire turn on, and 20 feet of speaker wire, which is a lot of speaker wire. So let's get this open. It has a little easy opening little tab right here, so we'll pop that easy. We'll do that. I'll show you guys what's inside. Yeah, man. Okay, to our whole pieces. So we're not going to rip the package all the way up because we're not finished all the system just yet. I just want to show you guys the contents therein. Alright, so I'll start from left to right. Here we are. We have the RCA cables. We're not going to unbind this stuff because you know, you and I both know. Once you unbind it, you can't put it back together the way it was. So there's the speaker wire. Let's focus in on the speaker wire. Once again, this is I'm pretty sure this is 8-gauge speaker wire. Then show you guys the back of this. Also included is a 100 amp A&L fuse with fuse holder, 4 4-gauge ring terminals, 4 small spade terminals, 10 plastic zip ties, and 2 rubber grommets. So everything's in the kit that you need. So 8-gauge, got the RCA cables. Not the fanciest RCA cables. But they will make do. We also got the there's the white 4-gauge ground wire. Let's get in on these threads. Come on now. There we go. Yeah. 3 feet. We're not gonna take it apart. I'm gonna show you guys what's in the kit. Here are the terminals. That's 2 grommets. That's dope. Got your sleeves. We're gonna order heat shrink tubing for clean look, test the tape, and the whole 9. We just want that clean factory look. Here is your remote wire. Here is the power wire. Where's Jeremy Clarkson? Power! So yeah, it's gonna do just right. And we're gonna get ferrules for Am I missing something? Ah, okay. I'm gonna put it back in the way it is. I'll show you guys this. Should pop open. Pop open. There you go. Make sure we screw that back down. We do not want to lose that, or we're gonna be SOL. And there we have it, folks. The CT Sounds 4-gauge kit. It's gonna go to my monoblock amp. Actually, it's gonna go to my monoblock T300.1 and my T60.4. And so we're gonna get a distribution block and do that and take care of that. It's gonna take care of my bass in my mids and highs. This is back in here. Hopefully it'll fit back. What? You gotta back it up? But yeah, guys, I just want to show you what that's all about, because if you have an amplifier, you got to have an amp kit. You got to get power to it. You got to get the signal to it so it can produce the sound you want, so you can enjoy that bass. With that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you for all your support. Until next time, peace and blessings. Ashe.